A truck accident occurred on January 24, 2026, in Kimble County, Texas, just south of Segovia. The crash happened around 6:30 p.m. on Interstate 10 near mile marker 470. Authorities say a Toyota pickup was heading east when it was struck by another vehicle and pushed into a ditch. This led to a chain reaction crash involving 10 other vehicles, including 4 semi-trucks. One trailer detached and rolled onto the Toyota. The driver, 56-year-old John Robert Tracy of Florida, died from his injuries. The crash remains under investigation.